Hello scholars! Welcome to ELIC 33. My name is Kate Hay and I will be your instructor this semester. I would like to show you how to navigate our class in Canvas before the semester starts so that you can join us on Thursday this coming week. So if you have not heard about Canvas, Canvas is a platform where you can check your grades, you can view your assignments, you can do your assignments, you can also communicate with me. So to get to Canvas, you just need to go to mgc.edu, and once you're there, you're going to click on Canvas in the right upper corner. This will take you to your account. You do have to log in to your account in Canvas, but once you're there, you're going to see all the classes that you're taking this semester. If you're taking more than one class, you will have more than one shell. If you're just taking our class, you will only see this one. Once you see it, you just click on it and it will take you to our first welcome page. In that welcome page, you will have different links for the most important things in our class in Canvas. So modules is where you will find all the information about assignments and about our class. Class Zoom link is the link that you want to click in order to meet with us on Thursdays at noon. And then office hour Zoom link is the link that you will click if you want to meet with me during the office hours. Here's a little bit more information about our class, when we meet, and also when the office hours are. I think the office hours are cut here a little bit from your view, but once you get into your account, you will see the entire page really well. So what are modules? Modules, you can get to them either through here or that button. Modules are kind of like folders. And here is one. Oops, I think I clicked the home button again by mistake. Modules are kind of like folders. So you can see the course introduction module, then you will see open discussions module, late assignment module, and then all the weekly assignments that I should say weekly modules that you will need every week in order to do your assignments and participate in class. So again, to get to modules, you want to click either on modules in the left-hand corner, a column, or within that first welcome page on that link that is shown there to you. So let me just tell you really quick how to navigate each module. At the very beginning of the semester, you will have two modules the first week of the semester. And it's because the first module is the course introduction, and then the second module you will need to look at is the week one module. Week one module will be shown to you during class on Thursday, so don't even worry about that module just yet. But I wanted to show you the class introduction, hoping that you will go through it before we meet on Thursday. It will give you a lot of information about our class, so if you look at it before we meet, you might have great questions to bring to class on Thursday when I meet with you. So welcome to ELIC 33. This will give you a little bit of information about our class and how to borrow the computer in case you need to from MJC, or a hotspot, and also the textbook information. This is the same letter that I sent you last week to your school email account. More information about me. So the way I would like you to go through modules, some students just go through their to-do list, which you will be able to find in your account on the right. You will see a to-do list for students, but that only lists things that you have to do, meaning maybe assignments, homework, etc. But there will also be within modules, there will be a lot of information every week that I will want you to look at. So please, to go through each module, simply click on each page to view it. You will see that sometimes you will have pages, sometimes you will have quizzes, and sometimes you will have assignments. let's see if I can find one assignment to show you what it looks like. It looks like a page with a pen attached to it. That's what the assignment is. Many of those will have due dates for you. This way you will be able to see what the due date for that particular assignment is. So again, the most important part that I want you to remember from this is for you to go through each module step by step. Don't skip anything. Some students say, oh, I see that we have a quiz. Let me go and just do the quiz so I'm done. Very often when you have a quiz at the end, that quiz relies on all the information that you had to learn from the pages above it, right? So don't skip any pages, go through every single one. Well, that is it. Again, when I see you on Thursday, I'm going to open week 1 and we'll go through that week module together. I will show you what the assignments are for the following week for you. But for now, I would like you just to have a look at the course introduction module and also play with the links here to make sure that they work. And again, you will use the first link, the class Zoom link, to connect with us on Thursday at noon. And I'm very much looking forward to seeing you and meeting you all. Have a wonderful few days before I see you. And again, welcome to ELIC 33.